I know nothing about plants, but I think the first place to start is to have a place for them to grow. So this is my propagation station. I'm just using 1-inch square dowels and 3/8-inch round dowels. And this project is super simple. Like, so simple, I made 4 of these at one time. So a glued butt joint is probably plenty strong for something like this, but for looks and to get a feeling of actually doing something for this project, I decided to drill holes and plug them with dowels. Even if it's unnecessary to do, dowel joinery is always really satisfying. These are some tiny clamps from Amazon I bought a while back, and these things are worth their weight in gold. I'm pretty helpless at making sure things are square when I'm gluing them up, so it's really nice to have these clamps to help me out with that. But they were just a little bit too big to glue this whole frame up together at once. So I just made sure I had one side square, and then I used a longer clamp to clamp the other side to it. And then all I had to do is add the top piece with some glue, clamp it up, and it was good to go. The process I use for drilling dowels is actually really simple. The first thing I do is use a small drill bit to get a hole drilling. That way when I switch over to a bigger Forstner bit, it's a lot easier time drilling through the material since it has a guide. For whatever reason, cutting the excess off of a dowel and then sanding it flush is always such a satisfying thing. I debated about doing any finish on these guys, and I decided not to. I don't think they need it, but also I'm always a fan of the unfinished look of wood. And these test tubes came in a big pack from Amazon for pretty cheap, so I think I'm going to make some more of these stations and start giving them away until I can get rid of all the test tubes. But anyway, thanks for watching.